In this video, you'll learn how to change your password. By following these steps, you will ensure your account remains secure and accessible only to you. Begin by logging into your Binance account. After you've successfully entered your credentials, locate your profile section, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Once you are in your profile, navigate to the security option within the settings menu. This section is crucial for managing your account's security settings. Within the security menu, look for the password option among the login settings. It is essential to confirm that you are on a secure connection indicated by a padlock symbol in the address bar. This ensures that your sensitive information is protected during the password update process. Stay on this page as you prepare to update your credentials. Next, click the Change Password button to initiate the update process. You will be prompted to enter your current password in the first field. Ensure that you input this correctly to proceed. In the second field, create a strong new password. A good password should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. In the final field, confirm your new password by entering it again. It is important to review all entries carefully to avoid any mistakes before submitting the changes. After you have filled in the necessary fields, you will need to complete a verification step. This can be done via email, SMS, or an authenticator code, depending on your security settings. Select your preferred method and submit the verification code as soon as possible, as there is often a time limit for this action. Once you submit the code, wait for a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. Finally, to ensure that the new password works correctly, log out of your Binance account and log back in using your new password. This step confirms that the update was successful. It is also advisable to store your new password manager or a safe place to prevent future access issues.